Hey y'all, it's Mr. Thibodeau just coming at you with your next set of math. Lesson, was it 5? Let's turn the page. Lesson 5, naming whole numbers and money, moolah, cash. So first you're going to do your mental math, okay, and then your problem solving. Okay, this is just a good way of keeping fresh and thinking, trying to stretch the old brain muscles. New concept in this lesson, we can use place value to help determine name numbers. In order to name larger numbers, we should first be able to name numbers that have 3 digits. Let's consider the number 365. Below, we use expanded form to break the numbers apart: 3 hundreds, 6 tens, and 5 ones, 365. Okay. Now, I do want to take a second to say that if this seems real easy to you, that's okay. Saxon starts real easy and then slowly gets harder, okay? If you're struggling with this, that's also okay. They start easy for a reason, right? To kind of build you up. So don't worry too much. But if you're really struggling with it, always send me an email, okay? We will use words to name a number and that we see and use digits to write a number that is named, okay? So 18. So that would be 18. 80, 80, 81, 108, 108. 821, 821. Okay, you could say 821 or 821. 821 is slightly more correct, but yeah, 821. Notice that we do not use the words "and" when naming a whole number. Okay, so 108, we say it, but we don't write it, which is a weird thing that we do. Okay, we don't need a hyphen. Okay. We do not write it as 21. You just, or we write 21 as a hyphen, not 21. So it's not 20 and 1, it's 21. Okay. I think this is probably one I mess up with the most if I'm spelling things. I probably forget this hyphen a lot. So that's a good thing to learn there and to keep in mind. The land area of Cameron County, Texas is 906 square miles. The land area of Collingsworth County, Texas is 919 square miles. Which country has the greater land value? Okay, so you can write it out, and then you can do greater than, goes open towards the bigger number. Okay. Cost of fuel to heat a home for 5 months is shown below. Order the months from most expensive to least expensive. Okay, so start with the biggest number here, which I think is probably going to be January. So you'd say January. And then the next one looks like December. And then February. I think in Portland, February is going to be a colder month than December. So just so you know for us. After that, it looks like it is March. And then November. Yeah, for us, February is way colder than December. Usually. Shoot, sometimes March is colder than December. We get more snow in February and March usually. Alright, so I think you guys can do these lesson practice pretty good and the written practice. The written practice I want you guys to do this week is, we'll do 1 through 29 odd. Okay, 1 through 29 odd. All right. Go ahead and try and do the lesson practice on your own. If you're having any trouble with it, come back and finish this video and you'll see me doing it for you. Okay, so pause now or stop now and give it a shot. All right, so I knew you weren't going to pause it. I knew you're just going to watch it. I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyway, use words to name. So, I hate this. 563 and 45 cents. Did they tell you how to do the 45 cents if you write that and? They did not. That's a new one. Okay. here I would say and. I would write and 45 cents. And that's why they don't want you to write and anywhere else, is when you're writing it out, that and means the decimal. Okay? So $563, sorry, dollars and 45 cents. Man, that's so weird that they didn't give you any examples for this one. 101. So I really wanted to write that and, but you don't. 111. Use digits right. 245. That one's easier. 420. 420. 420. Use digits right. $503.50. Here you go. Told you they did it there. So $503.50. In 1825, the Erie Canal consisted of 83 locks. A reconstruction completed in 1862 changed the number of locks to 72. During which year, 1825 or 1862, did the Erie Canal contain the greater number of locks? So I'm going to do, I don't want to just do 1825 is greater than 1862. And I don't want to do that because it looks weird. It looks weird because the number 1825 is in fact less than 1862. However, we're talking about the 1825 locks is greater than the 1862 locks. Okay? So I just wanted it makes more sense to me to include the locks there, okay? But personally, if I had something like this, I would just write it all out. I would just say, there were more locks in 1825 than 1862. But in a mathematical sense, this is what we're doing. This table shows the total sales at a school bookstore during 1 week. Order the sales amounts from least to greatest. So the least is Friday. And then we have Wednesday. And then we have Thursday. And then Tuesday. And then Monday. They are doing great gangbusters on Monday. All right. That's what we got. All right, guys. Have a good one. Have fun. Bye.